If the price of your product and its shipping price is not entered in your panel, you should just perform these following actions. Choose Unfulfilled option, then click on Search button. If there is no product price, you should click on the drop-down menu next to the order on the right side. Find the product variant information, then go to the product section and click on My Product tab. Then copy the SKU of the desired product and go to the My Store Products part. Now you must select your store name and click on Search button. Now click on Associate Product button. Here you can click on Select button and go to a new page. On this page, you can enter the copied SKU of a product which you want to have the cost. In this part, you need to choose the product related to the desired variant like color or size, and then click on the Confirm button. After that, open the order section again, and after 1 or 2 minutes, you will see that the price of the product has been entered. To determine the shipping menu of your desired product, go to the Settings section and then System. Here you can choose the desired option according to the type of the product and the countries where you need to send the product. Then click on Add a Shipping Plan button and save changes. For the products that you want to add shipping method or change the shipping and there are more than one order, choose the orders that have the same products and the same country destination. Then click on the Action button and click on Change Shipping Method. Select one of the suggested options and click on the Confirm button, so the shipping cost is considered for your order. If you want to choose the shipping methods, you should select the shipping cost. Here you can choose the available shipping methods. As you can see, the cost of shipping will be added. If you click on Pay button and then click on Confirm, this green message will be appear on your screen that it shows that you paid the order.